Well, one thing that can be helpful to know is that we're not really supposed to ever be totally free of social anxiety. On some level, we are supposed to be aware of what others are thinking, and on some level, a little bit concerned about it, right? So that traces back to our evolutionary roots of, surviving through connecting with a tribe. So a little bit of consciousness of others around you and how you're being perceived by them is completely normal. So we don't want to have anxiety about anxiety. Now, with that said, if it feels like the anxiety is going a little bit over the top, say you're going to a party or a networking event and you want to try to keep it a little bit under control, it can be helpful to say, choose a number. Like, I'm going to go to this event and I'll just simply speak to 5 new people. And that way it puts a little bit of a boundary around the situation for you. Another thing that can be really helpful is to think of 5 small talk topics in advance because oftentimes once we just get past that initial hurdle of small talk with people, then things flow really naturally. So that list of 5 things for small talk could be anything from, say, the venue where you are, like, oh, how long have you been affiliated with this club? Or, gee, this is a beautiful building, to upcoming events on the calendar, like, oh, 4th of July is coming, the holidays are coming. What are you up to for that? Or, exciting things that are happening around town, or, maybe 1 or 2 things that are happening in your personal life. And always remember, you can ask the other person a question too, so that you don't feel the pressure to keep up the small talk on yourself. You can ask the person, so what are your plans for this summer? Or, have you been here before? Or what's been new with you? Those kinds of things can help as well.